What's up, guys? Mike here in the yard. It's been a long time since we've done a yard, garden, farm video, whatever. So I figured I'd bring you up to speed since it's like sort of springtime now. It's not really springtime, it's halfway there. Getting better though. So wife was out here pulling some weeds and she planted beets and beans and all the normal stuff, I think okra, and she's gonna plant some kangkong today and get this garden going. We've been doing a lot of camping and jeeping and stuff. And well, this is something special. Pretty sure you can see it. It's raining, yeah, but it's also kind of sleeting, almost a snowy sleet or something. We were trying to go for a walk today and this is what we got. So the weather is certainly not cooperating. It's trying to put out our fire and everything, but we're sticking it out again.
Run, rabbit, run.
It's time to get the garden going. So she's hard at it. So I'll spin you around and we'll take a look. It kind of looks like springtime with all the weeds growing. They just shot up completely. Anyway, here's the old compost pit. There's some things other than compost that have been put in there, I think. I don't see a whole lot down this way yet. Oh, there might be something growing there. Can't tell what it is, but it's popping up. Let's get down to where there's some stuff. Oh, there we go. These shot up quickly. Beans and more beans. What are these, baby? Garlic? This is garlic. Those are grooving right along. Some more beans. I think this might be okra. I haven't been eating any okra or any vegetables lately. I've been doing carnivore since like the beginning of February, right? Beginning of February. So I went from 279 pounds down to 252 today. So that's a lot of weight lost, and I feel pretty good. There's some more beans. So I'm gonna stay with it until maybe, I think when we start producing vegetables, I'll start eating vegetables again. But I'm done with carbs and sugar and stuff. I had some bread yesterday and it didn't make me feel good. I had a dinner roll. Excuse me. And it was not very nice. More garlic, babe. And then she planted beetroots, and our beets did not do well last year. They just sprouted and died. But this year, we're gonna have beets. There's some more. Looks like the wild cat's out here laid down on that one. So the wife had to prop it back up. But I think we'll have beets, so we can juice and all that good stuff. And that's it. That's really it. It's not very much, but you know, it's still early spring, so what are you guys planting? What are you guys planting? You got stuff going already? Colder climates, probably not yet. We're pretty fortunate. We've got a decent climate here. Our last snow was in February, right? So it was pretty cold. But yeah, we've been out in the Jeep a lot, going to the campgrounds, going to the river, started doing a little fishing, all that kind of good stuff. So kind of digging it, but still got to grow veggies. All right, guys. Oh, did you ever get a little weird with your wife before? Like goofy when you're just hanging out watching TV? Well, I'll put this video up and I'll probably get kicked off YouTube, but it's pretty funny. We were having nice evening last night, just talking and BSing and watching TV, and got a little dumb. But anyway.
Okay, so because I have so many questions about what's part of the marriage.
Part of the marriage is not talking when the husband is watching a favorite show.
That's why I asked if what are the parts of the marriage, because my husband cannot watch the whole show.
You want
So,
to know
baby.
what's part of the marriage?
So baby, what are the parts of the marriage? Tell me.
Trust, love, and happiness.
Why very ugly?
I think that's the question answer, right? Trust, love, and happiness. Ha. What the hell was that? Sorry, baby, I don't know where that came from. Just thinking.
All right, guys. Be good to yourself, be good to your neighbors and everybody else. We love you. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.